Hello, and welcome back to my tiller restoration. Today we're focusing solely on the engine, which is a 3 horsepower Briggs and Stratton from, I believe, 1978. We're going to take it more or less entirely apart today. This video will focus mainly on simply cleaning it out, checking out the components, and just getting to know how it's put together. This is by no means an instructional video. It's more kind of somebody who's watched a couple of YouTube videos and is figuring things out on an otherwise dead engine. I've always enjoyed the idea of knowing how to fix an engine, and in a way I do, in theory at least. I've yet to be able to do it, which this tiller now has given me a good opportunity to, if anything, learn quite a lot. As you can see, it's all a bit finicky. Uh, getting to the bolts holding the petrol tank to the engine itself turned out to be a little challenging, but we got there eventually. Awkward silence for the like, subscribe, and what have yous. Now this, which I can't remember the name of, functioned perfectly fine, but it was just sticky. So, of course, I decided to play with it. The insides looked fine, just dirty, grimy, really. And as we're moving towards the top of the engine, this video is drawing to a close. I decided to make this a rather long format, just with cleaning. Not really all that much information, because I don't really have any. In the next video, with the engine, I'll be reassembling it and hopefully having it run. Still waiting on a few spare parts, gaskets mainly, and it won't be all too long, I should hope. I'm still not entirely sure if I'm going to check the oil sump to open the crankcase entirely. I'm not sure it's needed because the compression is quite decent on it, but I'm still looking into it. Hopefully you'll come back around to check out the next part in this series. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day.